Hello and welcome. The Dream Factory Kids 5-piece complete bed set features a super soft microfiber comforter with a whimsical pink twilight galaxy stars designed perfect for boys and girls. This twin bedding set includes a comforter, flat sheet, fitted sheet, pillowcase, and sham, all made from durable 100% polyester microfiber that stays soft after every wash. Its versatile design complements any kid's bedroom theme and can be mixed and matched with other Dream Factory bedding and curtain sets. The comforter is cozy enough for year-round use and ideal for children ages 5 to 12, including tweens and teens. Easy to care for, this machine-washable set offers lasting color and softness that your child will love all night long. Create a fun and comfortable bedroom space with this stylish and practical bedding set today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.